Next, we are going to implement the update customer profile feature for our bookstore website project. This feature allows the customer to update his profile details. You see in this overview use case diagram the use case manage profile here. This is the use case diagram for managing a customer profile. It includes view profile details and update profile details. As you have seen, after the customer has logged in successfully to the website, he or she we see the profile detail page that looks like this. Welcome, followed by the customer's name and all the details are email address, full name, phone number, address, city, zip code, and country. And on this page, there's a hyperlink, edit my profile, that allows the customer to update his details. And this is the user interface designed for the edit customer profile page. You see all the